Hello everyone, this is Prashant. Welcome to the channel. So everyone knows I was working on startup, so even that's why I'm not putting any much videos on last 1.5 more than a month. So this is my second video of my startup process. So as everyone knows, I'm a software tester. But how to start us if you want to do a startup from anyone. So first you get an idea like what kind of product you want to build, or what are the people who you going to serve, what is your product will do for your users. So and as a software tester, I know how the software is developing, but I'm not able to code. Everyone knows, like software tester only able to do some small automation as well as manual testing. But building a product is we need some expert to create it. And if you thought in that way, like okay, we need to hire a full-time employee and to build a bigger product, so it takes cost higher, and I don't have much investment in initial basis. So what I for the first step I tried is, after getting like visualize my idea, so I went to some couple of freelancer websites. There I hired a front end and back end folks, okay, for only freelancing. And that is for the budget what I have in my hand. The next one is what I learned from here is, like, you don't want to create a full project, because that it takes more money and more time. So that I don't have in my hand. So everyone said, like, create an MVP. So that MVP, if it is you want to give that MVP to everyone, like under your circle, get the feedback, upgrade their positive and negative feedback, or any additional features in your product, and keep on upgrading the MVP. Once you feel like that product is MVP is good enough, means then you can build a full-fledged project. So here, like, people know so many people MVPs, but people who don't know MVPs, like, it is a simpler process. Like, so if you are creating a e-commerce like Amazon, means you don't want to create a login, logout, user profile, nothing. So what Amazon will do? Amazon has some product, and you want to, that means you want to create some products so in your screen, and if the customer want to add to the cart or directly buy, even the cart is also additional feature only. Click on the product and customer able to pay and able to buy the product. So that is our product goal. Remaining everything's like free coupon, so many payment options, user profile, uh, keeping every database. That is a full price project. So that is not a MVP. MVP is like exactly your product, what is you're going to sell in the market. The same way in my idea. So mine is like so actually I want to tell you, mine product name is SkillCheckrAI. So it's a AI product only, but it's help for both students and job seekers like us. Not only IT, all the sector job seekers, all the students. Like the name is SkillCheckrAI. Okay. So right now, if you go to SkillCheckrAI.com, you will see the screen of it was in construction. So that screen you will see in the system. So that what the first step I took, like after getting an idea, I figured that idea into the some I take a notes and documents, and what are the things I need. And for back end I hired a freelancer. For the front end, one of my previous senior was helping me still. So he is helping in the front end portions. And what I smartly done it is, like, I hired a free like internships for college. I went to another college. There I hired one front end third year guy, engineering guy, and two girls for the back end. So they will do the internship in my project. So what we can do is, like, the internship people can learn the new projects from me. At the same time, for me, like in the way of internship, I can get some work from them. Like, it will useful for the product development. Okay, even I'm giving a internship for any, even people who are seeing any video, college students, or have an interest do the internship in the software development, means front end I'm using React, back end is anyone knows Django and Python, would be easy for me. Okay, so you also simply you can put that message, like, if you are interested, and send your resume or to my LinkedIn. Even I have my Instagram page. So many people was following. You can get in my profile. So you can send it. I'll try to take it after the small interview in the initial. So after that, if you are eligible, then I will give you internship in the startup project, because if wherever the students go to internship, then they never get a full-fledged learning. Here they are learning from a scratch of a product development. I committed them, like if they're doing it when they're coming out of the fourth year, I will try to give the job as well as a full time. So come to the startup plan. Like after they are working on MVP, so most probably mid of December, I'm planning to land the phase one of MVP, basic MVP. What I told, right? And in that, I segregated into only one portions for the student right now. So that I'm going to land and going to give for a couple of students to use them, like how they feel, like where they are facing issues, how do I can improvise for them. Okay. So once they get feedback in the phase two, I'm planning for the employees and the various sectors and domains. So for them, I'm creating that product as well. Okay, and this product has enterprises as well. So first, it will use for self users, like end to end customers, and then I'm planning for it to migrate the same feature and with the various additional features for the enterprise as well, like for the colleges, schools, and companies who's hiring. Okay, and this is not this is not a hiring product, because the only people you're hiring, but this is not in that side. This is in this other side of the as a like skill check. Okay, so and it's completely AI, so that actually you never need any human help to evaluate you or something. Okay, so that's what I want to share in this video. And the next for this, anyone want to know like what how I find that freelancer means, there are various pages like Freelancers of what I took it from the Freelancers, and Fever FIV. So there I took for the UX for my logo design, the UI UX design. So there I got on girl on that one for the designs. And as I have 8 year experience, right? So I spoke to a couple of developers, seniors, architects, in the terms of a discussion with them. So I get the help from them. Like this is what the IT will do. The contact, how you kept on this, your year on year goes. Like you will get that help from them if you are kept a good contact to developers and other various departments and this. Okay, so that's what other step one I done to. After that that discussion, that I went to so many people was give the quotation for the project. From the quotation I learned a lot, like each one will give more price, because as a tester I know certain things in software development. While giving the quotation only, everyone have give the what kind of things they will give me once the project is done, what kind of the budget. So there are huge budget as well, where the minimum budget as well. So based upon your budget, what you're in hand, you can hire anyone. So that's what the plan is. And the freelancer is not your full-time employee, so they can't work for you like daily basis whenever you call. No, so you want to give to them, so you want to little bit later, and try to first of all, first priority is you will give your surrounding people who knows development. Try to bring them. If they are not helping you, or you're not feeling them they can do it, means then go to freelancers. Because I used front end my own my previous friend circle, senior. So but back and around I took it from, because I need on a persons to work on that one. And it was the next thing is the budget. I try to have I'm not invest anything from outside. So from the own salary, I'm give them the initial amount, because it's the base kind of payment release. So in the freelancers, you can to every pace when they're working, completing their milestones. Based upon that, you can give a salary. Okay, and the next one, so once you done it, means I started a registration process. That also in Razorpay I tried. They are doing all the registration process, like registering your company, the names, everything. So that's what I helped. I get that from them. And the next one is after the release, I'm planning to ask a couple of people like to invest in the startup. So after that, if it is I get a good enough money from the circle, means I won't go to anyone the bigger person to get investment. But if that is efficient, means I can make a team. Like even if anyone have startup mindset want to include in my project also, like you, I'm happy to open, like if anyone want to just message me, and I will try to reply. If you are, we are in the same thinking or mindset and get a that vibe, means we can work together and do this in the project. Okay. So thanks. I will try to meet after once the release of the phase one. Like you guys also can explore like the product, like how it is be. And initially, I'm not doing any subscription. Like it's in MVP, everyone can use it. Like once the product is get a good feedback, then I will trying to bring implements. So planning, purchasing things. Okay. Thank you for if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And the people who is putting a message for the automation videos, I will try to bring. I was give me 1 or 2 months, and in 1 or 2 months I will continue the my old automation videos on various pending topics, which is I started it but I didn't complete it, those things. Okay. I hope. Thank you.